Forex traders, let me say this plainly. Staring at charts all day is not discipline, it's addiction. And that addiction is quietly, consistently killing your edge. Not all at once, not dramatically, but trade by trade. And here is wise. Number one, too much screen time creates fake opportunities. The longer you stare at the charts, the more setups you start imagining. A candle looks almost right, then a level feels close enough, a move looks like about to go. Your brain fills in the gap. You start seeing patterns that aren't there. You start forcing structure that doesn't exist. That's not market intuition, that's fatigue. And fatigue makes randomness feel meaningful. Number two, screen addiction leads to overtrading. Let's be honest, most of your extra trades aren't coming from good setups, they are coming from boredom. You've been watching charts for too long. You feel like something should just happen. You don't want the time to feel wasted. So you trade, not because your criteria are met, but because your patience is gone. And boredom is one of the most expensive emotions in Forex. It pushes you into low quality type trades that looks justified in the moment and obvious mistakes in the hindsight. Number three, you stop executing and start reacting. When you are glued to the screen, every trade, every candle feels urgent. Every tick feels important. Every pullback feels like a signal. So what next? You exit late. You interfere with trades that were fine before you touch them. You stop executing a plan and start reacting to noise. And here is the truth. Good traders don't react. They wait. They let price come to them. They let levels do the work. Reaction is emotional. Execution is control. Number four, screen addiction drains your mental energy. Trading is not about clicking buttons. It's a decision-making game. Every entry, every exit, and risk choice requires mental clarity, sharpness, and that staring of the charts for hour burns that clarity. Your brain gets tired, your focus weakens, your discipline erodes. That's when stops get moved, rules get bent, just this one shows up, and small mistakes compound into big losses. Not because you are bad, but because you are mentally exhausted. Number five. Listen, if you are tired of losing trade, tired of guessing, tired of watching the market hit your stop loss and sprint the other way, then pay attention, because I'm about to show you the real reason why you keep losing and how to finally flip the script. Here's the part that most traders never hear. The market is not random. It runs on a cycle, and that cycle repeats itself every single day. Most traders never see it. The buy late, the sell early, the panic, the chase. They get trapped again and again. But the traders who see the cycle, they trade calm, they trade smart, they trade with confidence. That's what the SRA model does. It shows you where the market grabs liquidity, the exact place your stop loss gets hunted. When it pulls back, the setup zone everyone ignores, where the move really starts, the part you always miss. With SRA models, you stop gambling, you stop rushing, you stop chasing shadows, you start trading with the big players, not against them. So if you want clarity, if you want structure, if you want a simple 7-rule system that actually works, send me a message. I will show you how SRA model takes you from a confused trader to a confident, disciplined strategist. Click the link below and DM me now. Cheers. If you lose perspective completely, this one is subtle and dangerous. When you never step away, time frames start shrinking in your mind. 5 minutes candles looks like emergencies. Minor pullbacks feel catastrophic. Normal volatility feels fast. You forget the bigger picture, you forget context, you forget structure, you forget probability, because zooming out is impossible when you never physically step away. Perspective requires distance, and screen addiction removes distance. Number 6, and the last point, is you confuse effort with effectiveness. Here's the lie. Screen addiction feeds you. If I'm watching more, I'm working harder, you say. No, you are just consuming more noise. Effort does not equal profit in trading. Accuracy does, precision does, timing does, restraint does. The market does not reward obsession, it rewards clarity. And the uncomfortable truth, your edge does not improve by watching more charts, it improves by waiting better. Less screen time creates clearer thinking. Clearer thinking creates better decision. Better decision creates consistency. And if you want your edge back, do this. Actually do it. Define your trading windows, set alerts instead of staring, execute, then walk away. Review when the market is closed. Trade like a sniper, not a security guard pacing all day. Because snipers wait hours for one clean shot, security guards get tired and react to everything. And here's what most traders don't realize yet: screen addiction and boredom are the same, wearing different marks. And that will be all for this series. Any topic you want us to talk about, we'll be glad to talk about it when you comment in the comment section. Get to work and work well. Blessings, guys.